It's Chef Sia here, and today I'm going to be making some stuffed chicken breast. See ya.
Add in some cheese for my stuffing, some mushrooms, some spinach, some sun-dried tomatoes, some more cheese, and cream cheese to hold all the stuffing together. Watch and I will mix it up. Yeah, that look good. I seasoned my meat and I put it on to marinate, and now we're going to cut. This is surgery, okay? Be careful not to cut to the other side. I bust it open, because my meat have a season inside and out, outside and in, back and front. Boom, boom, boom. Start stuff it up, and look how thick these are. So nice, so sexy. I'm so excited. Yeah, then we prepare the chicken to go to war, okay? Because nothing now left out, nothing now leak out, nothing now get through. Put it on a greased tin foil and ready for the oven. Pop it in at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And look how good they look already. Look at my son. You have to teach him from early. You know them with it? Yeah, boom. Look at my chicken. It's so good. Scrumptious, delicious. And I'm so excited and happy